Thank you, sir.
Even after commissioning of the Mopa Airport, Dabolim Airport run by Airports Authority of India will continue to operate, will continue to receive the scheduled flights.
Sir, is there any kind of doubts in the mind of people that both airports, once that airport starts this airport might not operate? Anything on that you want to say?
There is nothing like that. Airports Authority of India has clarified that Goa will be catered by Goa International Airport as well as Mopa Airport. Goa will have two airports now.
Sir, do you see any kind of competition between the two airports that are going to be operating in the state? Any competition or any fear or any doubts that you have?
See, as of now, Goa Airport, International Airport is in operation. The competition and all will be known later. Definitely both the airports will run.
Sir, how do you think both airports will run when people want to come to South Goa? Is there any kind of idea that you feel that these both airports will run based on the people's choices? How does it actually operate?
So it's my personal opinion. It's the passengers who will go for bookings to their choice airport. So according to the flights available.
So people coming to South Goa will choose Dabolim and people going north will choose Mopa. Aisa kuch hai ya?
Not like that.
Okay.
So is anyone from North Goa can come here? Anyone from South Goa can go to there? Or anyone in the catchment area, maybe beyond this South Goa, North Goa also can fly from anywhere.
Sir,
as of now, from 8 destinations, we have received requests for the international charters.
So what are those destinations? Can you tell us?
So from Tel Aviv, Kuala Lumpur, Bahrain, Russia, Gatwick, Almaty, Manchester and Muscat. So these are all apart from the regular international flights operating from Doha, London, Dubai, Muscat, Sharjah.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
As of we don't have any information and there is nothing like that.
There is nothing like that. So ऐसा कुछ है कि international flights are going to be there, domestic flights are going to be coming.
Absolutely, there is no division like that.
Because a lot of speculations amongst people कि शायद से यहाँ पे कम होगा. So you are categorically denying that
both airports will run. It's a choice of people. It's a choice of people and the airline operators. We have received requests from Scat-Air, Russia, Aeroflot, Gulf Air and Arkia.
Okay, Arkia is coming from Israel.
Israel, yes.
Yes, okay, sir.